Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here it is, chapter 7. New Taipei Group. Mother Lu came back to the office for work in the morning. She was supposed to be sending Lu Wei in the school, but teacher C insisted, and now she arrived early. She walks gracefully when she entered the building. Based on the novel, Mother Lu has a high-ranking position in the company. She was greeted by the employee when she passed by. "Good morning, Director Lu." As she passed by, she was greeted by the employee. She greeted back and say, "Morning." Look at her. She was pretty good in the morning. Now, she already reached the director's office, which she is the director. When she entered the room, her secretary is busy on answering the phone calls. "Okay, I get it. The director has arrived, so I'll tell her right away." Come back to Director Lu. "Director Lu, Miss Shu asked you to go up." Now she was asking her secretary what is all about. Now she went up to the floor. She went to General Manager's office. "Normally, Miss Shu always call me directly. When something happens, why is she so roundabout this time?" When she entered the room, Miss Shu is still on the phone. "Artificial one child? Okay, I will leave the time." New Taipei Group General Manager Shu Min. "Well guys, I know what she's talking about, but let's not talk about it now. The Japanese delegation will come the next Thursday, and I have to receive it personally. The matter of the exhibition, I will leave it to you." Wow, that's a good news. She was appointed by a big job. Now she was thinking, every November, GCT meet the most major international trade shows. Exhibitor across the country have the opportunity all over the world, customer to face-to-face communication. In the past, the previous vice president led the team to participate in the exhibition, but the vice president resigned in the first half of the year, and the board of directors has not yet appointed yet. The exhibition was the hot topic, and the company's senior executive took notice. The person who took over the company almost sat on the position vice president with half of his butt. Mr. Shu actually handed over the task to me so simply. What can we arrange this time? Now she was appointed by the big job, and she need to do it. Probably she need to do it for Lu Wei. Because she was a single mother, she really need to work hard. Director Shu Min said, "If you can find time, we can only choose someone else." Well, it's definitely a good breakthrough to her, so she need to do it. Come back to her senses. Well, it's really disbelieving that on this day, she was appointed like a vice president of the company. She didn't move. She's still sitting in front of Miss Shu Min. And she answered. She was available. Well guys, let's cheer for our Mother Lu, that she will fulfill this work. Mother Lu starts from lower position until he reached the director position. If I didn't take such a good of promotion opportunity, this time there may not be another chance. I will send the exhibition information and exhibition planning to your mailbox. You have been before, so you can make adjustment yourself. Miss Shumin dismissed her. Okay, go get busy. And she answered, good. Now, she was going out, but she stopped. She asked Miss Shu, is President Aoki's daughter also in the delegation? Well guys, be noted, Aoki's daughter and Mr. Shu has something. Miss Shu looked away. She didn't answer Director Lu. Then Director Lu knows it and then said, I will go first and already working. Now Miss Lu come back to the apartment building. She was on the underground garage. After reading the information about the exhibition, I ended up at this point. I don't know if Lu Wei did his homework well. Someone is speaking behind her. Getting off work so late? Now she looked up to see her. It's her again. Well, we bet we know who is she. Teacher C coming from her back. It's really hard to see you when you lower your head and see you when you look up. Well, they met again. Mother Lu thinks junior high school teachers basically work from 9 to 5 unless they are teaching graduating classes. Why did she come back so late? She answered, the same to you. Teacher C said she accompanied the school leaders to eat and eat. Oh, I bet. Director Lu was jealous. She was thinking in her head that Teacher C was surrounded by the boys, and she wrinkled her face. It's only thinking, but she really thinks about it. Now she loses her senses until Teacher C said, let's go off together. Wow, Director Lu, is she in the clouds right now? Director Lu didn't answer her. Instead, she walked. Teacher C stopped and looked at her. Our Director Lu is not in herself. Now Director Lu pressed the button on which floor they live together. Female? Well, Teacher C is teasing her. She was saying she was with female directors, or let's say leaders. Look at Director Lu's face. Is she shocked? What is she thinking? Did she already fall in love with Teacher C? Now, Teacher C looked back again to her to see her reaction and told again, female leader. Now, Director Lu is speechless and she didn't say any words. Now, Teacher C, she smelled again Director Lu's scent. Hey guys, on the novel, Teacher C really likes the perfume scent of Director Lu. It's like a school citrus and thick sandalwood. It is completely cold and unique. Teacher C looked up to her. She's waiting for the response. Well, will Director Lu tell her? Now she leaned towards her and she asked, "What perfume do you use?" Director Lu said, "It's Artemis." Teacher C said, "It's a moon god." Now they reached the 9th floor. They were stepping out on the elevator. The other terms is she is also the goddess of hunting. That's what Director Lu said to Teacher C. Hey guys, thank you for watching. See you again next chapter. Bye.